Hello, we are today in Eurocromo, where it's a company in the south of Milan where they recover old shutters, windows, wood windows. They take them when they are old, very old, ruined, with a lot of problems with the wood that it's rotten and so on. They just take it and restore it better than when they were new. We have behind me just some examples of the raw material that they use here, what they get from customers, and they give it back to the customers in a brilliant situation. We will see the whole process today here in Eurocromo. After a chemical removal of the paint, the shutters arrive here. Most of the paint has been removed. Still there are traces, there are some remains, and so that it needs a mechanical sanding that happens in the next place where we are going. Here we are in the sanding room now. This is where Aline and Danello usually they clean the paint. They take out all of the paint from the shutters. Here we are at the last step of the shutters restoration. Is where they apply the paint. So the window the shutter in this case has been prepared, perfectly prepared thanks to the RUPES tools for sanding. Now they are ready to apply the paint that will protect the shutters and will make them looking much better than before. This is where the doors or the shutters